Pakistani newly elected Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif has said that he wants better relations with United States to promote shared goals of peace, security and development in the region. Does the US see his election of PM Sharif as an opportunity to improve the bilateral relations with Pakistan?
Well, you probably saw a statement that we released from the Secretary last night regarding the selection of Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif. For almost 75 years, the relationship between the United States and Pakistan has been a vital one. We look forward to continuing that work with Pakistan's government to promote peace and prosperity in Pakistan and the broader region. And in that spirit, we've congratulated Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif on his election by the Pakistani Parliament, and we look forward to working with him and his government.
So former Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan still blaming US for his ouster, while his supporters are organizing anti-US protests here in America, like in different states. Yesterday in DC, his supporters attacked on Pakistani American journalists and a few community members who disagree with them. So do you have any message for them who are organizing anti-US protests here in America, even when you rejected all those claims and White House also rejected all those claims?
Our message has been clear and consistent on this. There is no truth whatsoever to the allegations that have been put forward. We support the peaceful upholding of constitutional and democratic principles, including respect for human rights. We do not support, whether it's in Pakistan or anywhere else around the world, one political party over another. We support broader principles, including the rule of law and equal justice under the law.
So one last question, if you allow me, please. So today, the Pakistan's military spokesperson said that they had no evidence to suggest the United States had threatened or was involved in the conspiracy to seek the ouster of Imran Khan's government. Your thoughts and comment on this statement?
We would agree with it.